Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm just going to show you guys how I set up my bar cart for my husband's birthday. It was his 30th birthday, which is kind of a big deal, so I wanted to set up my bar cart super cute for him. So I ordered these super cute cookies, one with the number 30, well, two with the number 30, two with his initial, and then two that say happy birthday in the color scheme that I was going for. And then I ordered these macaroons with black drizzle on top, and I just stacked them up on this cake stand. I did go ahead and change this later on. I guess it's kind of like two options you guys can take a look at. So here's the overview of this setup. It was super simple. I loved how everything turned out. The baker did such an amazing job with the macaroons and also the little cookies. Ordered my husband this super cute cake, and it just says happy birthday babes, because I call him babes instead of babe, and it's just kind of like a gentleman's theme. So I really love how it turned out. Like I said, 30th is kind of a big deal, so I wanted to do something special. So moving on to the next setup, I did go ahead and change it a little bit just because I felt it was missing something. So I went ahead and tried my best with making cake pops. They were actually really good, but some of them were a little on the fail side. Still, they turned out super cute. I did go ahead and make these Twix cigar looking pieces, which I absolutely love. And then again, I just left this area the same because I really liked how that was set up already. So one of the main reasons I wanted to create this video was to inspire you if you guys have a husband or a boyfriend that you wanted to do something special for but didn't know what kind of ideas to go with. This theme is super cute. It's also perfect for a dad, and I love that it's so versatile and can transition between any age, whether it's for a baby shower or all the way to someone who's 60. I think it would make a great theme. So I love that this theme is super classy, and you can really go as extravagant as you want, but for the purpose of this video and for my husband's birthday, I just decided to do it small, like a little small something on the bar cart, because we really weren't having a big event for him. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and found it helpful, and I hope it gave you some ideas for that special someone in your life. With that said, make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I will be posting a desk tour really soon, an updated desk tour really soon, so make sure to go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!